Hi guys, I'm Isa, and today we're going to have to make an RPG using Scratch. So, we're just going to create the player sprites. Here's a bit of the color. I'm just going to make a simple circle for now. So now, I need to be able to make it move. So, one flat click forever. Get out some if statements. So for this one, I'm going to do the if key up, press, and then down, down, left, and then right. Anyways, I'm going to make a variable called speed for this sprite only. And then here I'm going to set speed to like 5. Anyways, so if the up arrow is pressed, then I'm going to change Y by speed. If the down arrow is pressed, I'm going to change Y by 0 minus speed. And if the left arrow is pressed, I'm going to change X by speed. And if the right arrow is pressed, I'm going to change X by 0 minus speed. I just need to swap these. Now we can move. Now, let's make objects that you can collide with. But for that, I'm just add a simple background. So, well, actually, I think I'm just gonna make a green square. So yeah, now we have a background. So, we're gonna go to making objects that you can collide with. I'm just gonna make a house. So I'm going to this. Let me just make a house. It's not like made it. I have to put the code for the collision. So I guess put the house here. So I go to the player sprites. Let me make a variable called X speed for this sprite only. Actually, no, I won't do that. Anyways, I'm gonna say if touching the house, then let's say if not touching the house. So when I touch the house, then yeah, this will happen. So now I'm gonna check if it's touching the house for each of these. So with the up arrow, gonna put an if else statement. So if touching the house, then change y by speed, else change y by negative speed. I'm gonna do the same for all the rest. I'm gonna create two variables called xs and ys. So instead of changing the x to the y, I'm gonna change the xs and the ys. So here I'm gonna set xs to speed. Here I'm gonna set it to negative speed. Here I'm gonna set it to hours. So I'm gonna put this if statement here. If touching house, then change y by speed. Then change y by y speed. I'll change y by 0 minus y speed. Gonna do the same thing for the x. So here I'm gonna change it. So now let's test it out. Oh, by the way, I'll have to set xs and ys to 0. Let me change this. So now it's working. When we touch the house, it's gonna stop moving. But you still won't be able to move, so I'm gonna multiply these by 2. So I'm gonna so now I'm going to replace the ys with xs. I'm going to put in the change x. So now I play the project. If you go to a house, but that's the end of part 1 to this tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.